Now that you're done watching the video, look at the person sitting next to you and tell them one way you can be a good neighbor. You have 30 seconds to tell them the answer, and then I will go on and explain the game. Now that you've told them a way to be a good neighbor, I'm going to explain the game you will play. On this Daniel Tiger game, you will have to be a good neighbor to get people in your trolley to go to the neighbor party. After hitting play, it will tell you the directions. Once he gets done talking to you, he's going to hop into his trolley. You can click the trolley and he will take you to your different locations. At these locations, you will help out friends and they will join you in the trolley. At the very end, you'll have a party. At this stage, they want you to help decorate the tree. You click and drag the items and decorate the tree however you want it. Once the tree is decorated like you want, and you think you have enough decorations to make it beautiful. To make it beautiful, you hit the trolley to go back, and now the prince will be in the trolley. To go to the next activity, click the trolley, and he goes to the next activity. At this next activity, I will click like they tell me to make the leaves go away until they're gone. I will clean up the mess. Once it's all gone, she will thank me and join me in my trolley. Then I click the trolley until the very end. I will go to a party. After I've got all my friends in the car on the trolley with me, I will end up at the party that says Happy Neighbor Day. Once you are done, you may click in the top left-hand corner the green circle that says PBS Kids. Once you click on that, you may choose your own game to play. This right here goes to all the games, or you can put your mouse over the green wheel and move your mouse over by the arrow and it will rotate and you may click on whatever activity you want. And it will take you there. Have fun learning how to be a good neighbor and exploring.